Oil might be hovering around the $30 a barrel, but Iran is getting ready to flood the market. Iran claimed it can swiftly boost its oil production and exports by 500,000 barrels a day after UN inspectors said the country had dismantled significant elements of its nuclear program, putting another nail in the sanctions coffin.
This is a good day. As I've said many times, the nuclear deal was never intended to resolve all of our differences with Iran, but still, engaging directly with the Iranian government on a sustained basis for the first time in decades has created a unique opportunity, a window, to try to resolve important issues.
Until now, sanctions prevented Iran from exporting more than 1 million barrels of oil per day to a limited number of countries. But with the lifting of sanctions, the country hopes to return to its peak of over 3 million barrels per day quickly. It's focusing its attention on countries like India, where it's already exporting 260,000 barrels per day, and on Europe, where pre-sanctions, it used to export over 800,000 barrels per day. But some analysts are casting doubts on the country's abilities to ramp up production as quickly as it hopes to, arguing the infrastructure, from banking and payment systems to marketing operations, will take time to be updated. Also, Iran might not find much of an ally in OPEC, as relations with Saudi Arabia have soured dramatically recently. And with other large producers like the US and Latin America unwilling to curb production despite a supply glut, Iranian oil could push prices lower still. Some analysts have forecast that oil prices could tumble further to $20 a barrel, and Standard Chartered even warned that they could plunge to $10 a barrel, a low not seen since 1998.